Sick wheelie. Yo guys, Mike came unplugged for this video, my bad. It was still a super fun video though, and you can still hear me, so I figured I'd still post it. So plenty of fun, hand drags, scrapes, and so on, so enjoy the video. Alright, Miles should be here somewhere. Miles up here, so we'll go grab him and then ride. Yeah, so Miles just rebled his rear brake and it's terrible.
And I tried to drop back, almost up.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go to a little super new paved street over here to ride a little bit, do some practice. Yeah, this is the nice paved street we were looking for. Ready, Miles? Hand drag? Get it smoother, yeah. Let's go. All right, I need to get it with the front wheel still up. This road is just so nice to practice on because it's so damn smooth. Unlike the majority of roads in the city. Oh. The craziest thing is I was practicing like these side saddle circles and I can literally do them with both feet up. Look at this. See, I don't know what to do with this foot though. Maybe over the bar? On the bar? We're just gonna merge into traffic here. Don't mind us, just two quiet razors. Oh my god, I'm not paying attention. Oh, the work for Miles. Look at that drop back, throttle one hand. Look at that front wheel. There's some good front bearings on that front wheel. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Oh, little break in traffic. Oh my wind. Slow it down. Guys, I might do a pit bike brake conversion on this. I know, it's wild. I've seen a couple people do it and I feel like it would really help. Like that pit bike brakes when you're doing a fast coaster, like that would be great. So I don't know, I might have to do it. Like right here, when you're coasting down, pit bike brakes would be great. See a stoppie.
What size is that
The battery.
yeah.
76 volt.
What is it again?
It's a Razor, ironically. Yeah, but it's all upgraded. Yeah, with a company called Electro and Cal. try a hand drag. Oh! What do I do with it? Yeah, they're both upgraded. They're both Razors, you know, like the kids' bikes? Yeah.
They just upgraded, fully upgraded.
Y'all be having fun, don't you?
Hell yeah. Miles and I were talking about how we both want a foot brake so bad. Come on, go back a little further. You can scrape. You can scrape. I kind of want to try to scrape this bar. I could probably do it.
You got the bar.
Let's go to the place behind the art museum. I'll try and scrape it. I guess I could try right here.
You gotta go way back.
Dude. Oh. 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 I still didn't scrape it. Okay, let's get this. That was close. All right, we got it. We scraped. Sheesh.
Yes, sir.
This is what happens when you do what Miles tells you. Well, we did a scrape, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Even though I ate shit. Whew. That's an interesting move. Alright, Miles is gonna try to jump this. Woo! That was wicked. Alright, we're back to my little practice lot. Miles getting his circles in. I'm gonna get a hand drag. Ah! Oh my god, almost ate it. Dude, it does feel good just to be able to pretty much whip out a hand drag now whenever I want. Trying to cross over to peg and then come back over. That's fire. You can knee knock circle. Let me try. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, we both doing it. Let's go. Both feet up.
We're real slow right now.
Miles is dead. He's done. I think we're both done. We're tired. So on to the next part of this video.